Vinales needs. He needs a bit of a carving in reserve in these final 3.5 laps. Jorge Lorenzo.
Oh dear. Sorry for Jorge Lorenzo. Did he hit a neutral or something? What happened?
He's had a shocking. Zarco's run out of grip, Steve. He has completely run out of grip. His victory hopes are completely gone here. He's run out of steam, but the man who certainly hasn't is Maverick Vinales, who now slapping the race, Steve. Wow. Lap 19 by A.Dovizioso, a 1:55.240, 19 and 22. A.Dovizioso is trying to break them up. He's trying to check out.
He's even in touch with him.
He's not a man either, is he? A.Dovizioso trying to cave in Japan. A.Dovizioso got the better of Marquez on both occasions. He was never going to get rattled by this.
He's always seen Qatar as his favourite circuit, but he comes away from here.
It's unbelievable when you think he led one for the majority of the first 18.
Dovizioso, but it's going to be another flying lap coming in a moment from the Ducati rider.
They're having a push just to go with the factory Ducati man, and we know.
We go across the line, 55.3, 55.2, 55.3. Both Marquez and Ride of Joan Zarco, and moves up into 5th place.
And Vinales, as he found a way through, Danny Pedrosa not was going to be fit. Well, that's still going to be a tremendous charge through the pack
gear, and he's looking at it again here.
He didn't like being beaten by Dovizioso in Austria. Now at the front of this field.
Bided his time. Left in the tank. He's so close.
And they've got to find something really special. Not only is Dovizioso got the top speed of that Ducati, because in the MotoGP field, can Marc Marquez with the grunt acceleration outside the top 6.
Here we go then. We start the final lap of the race. Dovizioso make a move before we get to T16.
Was Dovizioso just in a fraction hot of the first corner? So he's been the bridesmaid 3 years on the trot here in Qatar.
Marc Marquez, the world champion. Rossi's desperate for these two to engage, but he's just not close enough. Communication at the moment, that's for sure. Rossi's there to pick up the pieces should it go wrong. Here we go then. Marquez just really pushing that front.
Going into that final couple of corners. Can he strike at turn 15? Not close enough through these right-handers.
2 corners that Marc Marquez will pounce, and it's not turn 15.
It's not 15. Dovizioso's getting on the comeback. It's all about the horsepower shootout now.
It's a repeat winning race of 2018, but what a race it was. Marc Marquez.
Between Marc Marquez and Dovizioso in the last few months from the reigning world champions. He fought to try and win that opening Grand Prix of the year. He misses out by just 200. Valentino Rossi in third, the top 3 covered by less than 8/10 more of those.
You cannot, we're going to talk about how great Dovizioso look. And fair play to Valentino. The tyres lasted long enough, and he picks up a podium, and I think he'll be delighted with that.
The ideal start for Rossi. Maverick Vinales. What great job by Vinales. It will be a case of what might have been as far as he's concerned. Certainly a case of